Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use booking.com's price match? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for booking.com. So let me just go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and select the place you are going to. Go ahead and select the date that you're heading to and the people that are going with. So for example, if I searched for a hotel and if I got this hotel for cheaper somewhere else, what I can do is simply use the price match feature. So simply go ahead and click on price match. As you can see, there are the information that you have to know. So as you can see, it says you can claim a refund for difference if you find your reservation cheaper on another website. Just go ahead and contact them at least 24 hours before your check-in date. You'll have to give us the link to the other offer and it needs to be online and available when we check. So that is about it. All you need to do is simply go ahead and contact their customer care team, and I've already made a video on how you can go ahead and do that. So just go ahead and provide them the link of the place where you got the same property for a cheaper price and they'll try to price match you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.